Using system is a libraries. Class tax calculator that defines a class name tax calculator. Static void main is the main method is where the program starts executing. The static keyword means this method belongs to the class itself, not an instance of the class. The void means the method does not return a value. Boolean variable is continue calculating to true. This variable controls whether the program continues to ask for new input and perform task calculations. It will be checked in a while loop. This starts a while loop that will keep running as long as continue calculating is true. Once the user opts to stop continue calculating, will be set to false, ending the loop. Console.write enter the item price. This line prints a message asking the user to input the price of the item. Decimal price convert that to decimal. Console red line is mauni ang katong mo basa na sa whole line. Convert to decimal is used because price and tax amount need high precision with decimal points. Console.write enter the sales tax rate as a percentage is mo gyapon ni sa enter the item price nga mo input ang or mo enter ang user. Decimal tax rate convert that to decimal. Console red line is mao na pud ni ang katong mo basa siya sa unsay gi-input sa first line. Decimal tax amount, price, tax rate, and divide 100. This calculates the sales tax amount. The tax rate is provided as a percentage to 8%. So it's divided by 100 to get decimal form. 8% becomes 0.08. Decimal total price plus tax amount. This calculate the total price by adding the original price and the tax amount. Console.readline. This lines print the result to the console. Like, mo na nuy ang siya ang mo print sa whole line. Console.write. Do you want to calculate tax for another item? Y and end. This asks the user if they want to calculate tax for another item. Char answer. Console.read key char. This line reads a single key press from the user without requiring them to press enter. Console.read key returns a console key info object from which we retrieve the key char property. Continue calculating. Answer is double equal y and answer is double equal to y. This line checks if the user enter y or capital Y or small y. If they did, continue calculating is to set to true, which will keep the loop running. Otherwise, it sets to false, ending the loop. Console.write line. Thank you for using the tax calculator. After the loop ends, when the user opts to not calculate tax for another item, this line prints a thank you message. In the last part, we shows the expected output. So we need to enter the item price 100. Enter the sale tax rate as a percentage 8.5. Tax amount is 8.50. Total price including the tax is 108.50. If mag-calculate pa og another item, pwede rin siya mo it can be answer for y. Enter the item price 250. Enter the sale tax rate as a percentage 5. Tax amount is 12.50. Total price including tax 262.50. If nag-calculate gihapon og another item, pwede na pag mo use og n. Mao to nga magawas na dayon ang thank you for using the tax calculator.